Hey guys, John at Fix Fence. Been a while since I've been on the video. Building the fence company. You know, I got 6 employees now and 2 trucks on the road. Still had 2 trucks with 6 employees. I can't seem to keep up, man. 17, 19 weeks out with work, and it's all the small stuff that the bigger guys don't want. But hey, I wanted to come to you today just to show you. I want to show you this one thing I got. So this is pretty cool. As you know, I've been putting a lot of these, putting some of those, videos up with the drone and stuff, and incorporating some of the drone videos into my videos. But when we got this uh, DJI Pro 3, right? It's a big brick in the air. It's a cool drone, though, but it's a brick. And anyway, he's got these, he had the phone, right? The old phone, Samsung 4, whatever. And it needed an update, so he pushed the update. And I don't know what happened, but it took the DJI Fly app away or whatever. And then next thing you know, he couldn't do it. It took a long time. I had to get all my IT guys in on it. Next thing, I just ended up buying a new phone. But in the process of this, I looked at him, I said, "Damn it, Dave." And he ran with that. He was it was like a logo to him, man. "Damn it, Dave." It was all day long, man. And I told him, I said, "You know what? I'm going to make a t-shirt." And he didn't believe me. I went and made I, I went and made about 12 of these, and I gave them to the crew. I gave them to him. My wife comes out. I had a pizza party Friday, and my wife puts it on. She's seen him coming up. She puts it on, right? And I'll tell you what, he busted a gut. He rolled over laughing. It was so he. It was a hardcore gut buster, But he loved it, and that's what we got to do, right? Help each other out, man. Anyway, I just wanted to share the fun, Damn it, Dave, man. Something simple like that. And yeah, okay. So it cost me for 12 shirts, $97. Okay, to have a little bit of fun. All right, But anyway, hey, John at Fix a Fence. I just trying to, well, it is running out of content, whatever. But damn it, Dave. I looked up on GoDaddy, guys. Check this out. They wanted like $30,000 for dammitdave.com. Anyway, guys, keep smiling. Have a great day.